This is why you need a house and right after playing the game so you can enjoy the other mechanics of the game, what it offers. So this is my house after, battling. The most heals I've done was about 3 million, I think, or 4. But yeah, this is just prior from editing. I did one run, got the last kill, and best player of the game. Revived a lot. So you go back to your house, and then you open your boxes. A different view. I mean, I'm gonna tour you guys my house. Took me about 2 hours for the last 4 days because of the stamina situation. I have a boat, I have an arena, have a fall, have a dungeon there. This is probably the best game where it allows you to build without any limitations. And I can't wait for the full access like in China server that they have. So this is the hallway, and this is a bath. It has a water sound effect, and then there's my workstation. And then this is the masters where you can actually sleep. Where I got it from was I got it from what do you call this? Renting the mansion in Kaifeng. I took all the furnitures of the medium-sized home and the mansion size, and I put all of them there where you can have interactions with it. And then I'm gonna show you guys my picnic area where I actually spend most of the time. And I have a cliff up there. I'm gonna show you guys later. Take a bath. After a long day, after fighting bosses, hunting bounty hunters and stuff, this is the most beautiful game ever. Spent maybe only $2. Unlike other people. You can fish, by the way, and you can swim in this area that I built the house. So I have another T-spot. I have a boat, not the $40,000 boat, but it does what it does. I have an arena where my friends and some guildmates, we do some PvP there. Because in the arena, you don't get your full health access. It's limited for healers, and I'm a healer. I'm a heal base, so. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get up to the treehouse. It was fun building this, challenged me, but hey, 2 hours, not bad after grinding. Spent some time there. Another beautiful spot. Yep, so it's pretty much how it looks like at night. Showed you guys earlier at the daytime. Yeah, I just hate it when a bounty hunter comes and destroys most of my stuff, because I usually hide underwater. Okay, you can swim here. And this area has 3 waterfalls. If you want to build on the cliff, you can build anywhere. I chose on the water because the cliffside is very challenging. Thank you guys.